So I'm driving Maya to work this morning because...
Did you tell them about my car?
Yeah, I guess I did.
That's so embarrassing.
So Maya's car is clamped in Bath. So I've got to take it to work this morning. I've got to sort out the tax at the post office. And I've got to get the train to Bath, pick up the car, then drive it back. What a palaver.
Happy birthday.
See you, mate.
Bye.
Today is my 31st birthday. This birthday sucks so far. For some reason it seems that our car does not exist. So I've had to fill out tons of forms and pay tons of money and pay tons of money just to get it found. I hate being on hold on the phone. I hate wasting a day dealing with admin. I've been racking my brain today about what to include in this video. It is my birthday, and so I thought it's kind of like a special occasion, maybe do something a little bit different. I don't really have anything too much to add in today's video because I spent a good chunk of it just dealing with the admin for the car still. That sucked up like 2 days so far. It's so annoying. I'm 31 now, but I've basically been vlogging since I was about 15. Like way before vlogging was even a thing. Me and my friends were always filming each other and filming stuff. None of it's really like a story. They're just lots and lots and lots of clips, hundreds and hundreds of them. I also have a bunch of like sizzle reels and I guess like audition tapes, which have been shot a little bit more professionally. Most of those videos would never see the light of day, but since this is a special occasion, why not put one in now? And I'll spread them throughout the vlog in the future when I don't have anything else to put in the vlog. Is that a good idea? Enjoy this video. For my day job, I primarily run a business which is focused on building kitchens. I make bespoke kitchens out of really unique materials. Things like this is what I like to use. This is Valcomap. This is a material that comes in lots of different colours and it is wood, and I like to use this to build my kitchens. In my spare time, I like to make lots of different things. I really like making my own tools. Here I've made my own rasp out of old bandsaw blades. Here I have a wooden compass. This is a bow sander for sanding things that are round. I like to make stuff, but what I really enjoy is encouraging and inspiring other people to make stuff. I recently started making short 1-minute videos for TikTok. Initially this was just for my own portfolio and for fun, but it was surprising how people really enjoyed the videos and the audience seems to be growing. That was an audition tape that me and Tom made. Do you remember Tom? He's been in the vlog a few times. Thanks Tom, what a legend. Alright, back to today's regularly scheduled video. You remember yesterday how the car was clamped? It's just been unclamped, so I'm going to go to Bath now and get it. Looks like it's just about dry enough to skateboard, so at least that's a plus.
As soon as we have given permission, we'll be able to carry on towards stations through to Bristol and then to Weston-super-Mare. Thank you.
You know, about once a month you get one of those days where things just don't want to go right for you. Today's one of those days for me. Did it have to be my birthday though? Come on. On my birthday? Just gonna stop and see my buddies at LJ's. I have some work to do for them soon. Hopefully they'll give me a free lunch.
Hey, what's going on, bro? 18th to the 20th of this month, going for the Nationals again, but the big one, the big, the UK and the People's Choice, might as well. Shout out to our man Smith & Mate, does all our frontage, fabricator of the year.
If you're in Bath, if you're visiting the town, you have to stop and get LJ's on Bog Island.
You know it is.
It's my birthday, by the way, Lewis.
When?
Today.
No!
So this is me blackmailing you for my free lunch.
You know we got you. Different game.
Yeah.
I was like, it's moving around different, looks different. I was like, I couldn't believe it, bro. But yeah, but I'll let you know.
I love those guys, and they really do the best street food of all time. Right, let's get that car. Doesn't look very clamped. All right, we got it. We got it. The car is ours again. Back to Chippenham. Gonna lock this car up. Never let anyone take it away ever again. I just stopped off at home. I want to get a quick shower as well. Surprisingly muggy out today. Hi. You're staying there from now on. At least until the taxes are paid anyways. I have to go pick up Maya now from work. I almost forgot she couldn't drive herself home.
Hello.
Maya's just in the shop. She's getting hot dogs for dinner. And I think I might be getting a birthday cake. I couldn't be bothered to go in today, so I'm just going to sit in the car. Wow, buddy, look at this, a hot dog dinner.
Hot dog dinner.
Thank you.
It's okay.
We've moved my birthday party to the office because it's my favourite place to be. It's my cosy space. That was a late night plumbing emergency at Grandad's house just then. And I've just dropped Maya off. She's gone home. What's this you've given me here? A birthday card? Is this my birthday card from you?
Yeah.
It says Happy Bunny. Thank you, bud.
Do that one last. To a special song. Wow.
See how, like, I actually didn't think there was going to be money in that.
Was that
Did you not see my reaction just there? Was the reaction of someone who's expecting money is to be more gingerly about opening the card.
I thought it looked a bit thick.
Yeah.
That's nice. Thanks, Mom.
Thanks, Mom. And Finn, apparently. I do appreciate a spring. Whoa.
Oh.
Someone's been watching my vlog.
Isn't that cute?
That's Maya's sister, that's Eve's card.
Gregory's.
I was just telling Maya how I need to go on a diet now because the last couple of weeks I've not been able to do any exercise because my wrist is still kind of messed up. I can't lift any weights or anything. And I'm not running around because it looks stupid. So I have to go on a diet, but because I've had too many Gregs. It looks like I'm not slowing down anytime soon. How big can I get before you'll stop dating me?
This big.
I'm pretty close to the threshold then. Thanks, Eve. Thanks, Mum.
Happy birthday.
Thanks, Maya.